What's up, guys? I bought this stuff because you can see some of the trim on this Jeep I bought is pretty faded. So it's called a Cerakote. It's a white version of a trim restore. So we got some gloves. We have instructions. And then here's the 10 wipes. So I'm thinking I'll probably just use one wipe for this area. I don't really know if it says how much one wipe is rated for, but I'd say one wipe should get this done. But it does say on the box here, here's the instructions. So I'm gonna wash it, dry it, and apply it. And here's how you apply it, just in layers. And I've heard this stuff is pretty potent because I've watched some review videos. So I'm glad that it came with some gloves. But all right, I'll see you guys after I wash it. We got the Dawn dish soap. That actually brought out a lot of color just on its own. I'm sure just because it's wet, but we'll let this sit for a minute or so and then clean it up with some water and then dry it off. All right, we've got it completely dry. I even used an air dryer. So now we're going to apply. Okay, so here's the finished product. Now it does say to give this an hour to cure, so for the benefit of the doubt of this was in really rough condition. It was almost gray looking, so I don't know if it was gray originally, but on my other Jeep it's supposed to be black, so I'll be doing it on there too. But I'll give this the benefit of the doubt and do a second wipe, but I'll definitely be doing this on my gray Jeep, and that'll probably be in the same video. But I'd say so far, I mean, it does look a little, you can see it's still stained, but I don't know. I mean, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I'll definitely give this thing another wipe, let it cure, and then we'll go from there on what I think about it. But I'd say starting off, it's not really that great, to be honest, but I think those wipes were like 20 bucks, so we'll see. It is the next day, and I'm over here at my dad's house with a silver Jeep. And there's a red Jeep. And I'm gonna do this same panel. This is before I wash it, so I'm gonna get it all washed and just show you guys a little before. As you can tell, this is a lot darker, so I really think the one that they put on this is meant to be kind of more of a gray material like this, whereas you can tell this is a lot blacker and richer in color already. So I have more hope in this one that it'll get restored easier. But yeah, I'll get this thing cleaned up and we will put that theory to the test. There it is, all clean and dry. Now we will apply the Cerakote. Wow, so you guys can see this thing right now. I just did it probably 3 minutes ago, and this looks brand new. I mean, besides the dings and stuff, just the richness and color of this thing looks absolutely amazing. It's actually starting to match down here now, because this was I think this looks like it was painted. I don't know if it came like that, but you can see we got some red and stuff, so it's probably painted this color. But wow, this looks very good now, so we'll see how long it lasts. It looks a lot better than the one on this Jeep, which we can check out right now. And like I said, the main differences were this one here was gray, and honestly, you can see back here where it was away from the weather how rich it did get. So I mean, you can see it does work. This is exposed. I mean, you can see the difference. I actually didn't notice that till I came over here with the camera. But yeah, you can definitely see where this will work. You just have to give it more time to cure. And I mean, after an hour and a half of me doing this, it snowed, and you can see there's like leaf prints everywhere. But I'm definitely gonna say that this stuff will work. You just have to give it more time to cure. As you can see back here, I think it's obviously cured a lot more than when it was in the snow and everything. So maybe hold off and do this in the summertime, not the beginnings of winter. But you can definitely see, even on this, I don't know if it's gray or not, I really can't tell. It seemed gray before I cleaned it and washed it, but I mean, you can see this stuff, I mean, it will work. Yeah, that's definitely cured. So same thing with this though. Hopefully it doesn't snow, but I am leaving these outside. So I mean, if you guys obviously have a garage, then you can do this any time of the year. But I'm probably just gonna clean that one again, maybe another day. I don't really feel like messing with it. It was just something I figured I'd try out, but I'll probably clean that one again and give it another wipe. Like I said, that pack's like $20, comes with 10 wipes. There's the full wipe, and you can reuse these too. This went with ease all over this panel, and eventually I would like to redo this, but I'm gonna tape everything off and it'll be a whole thing. So this right here was just something super easy that I could do, and it does give the back a better visual experience. Makes everything look a lot better, but you know, I'm all about the aesthetics and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll give you guys a cold start after I get this stuff cleaned up.